Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Nitrix. Today we are going to release a new generation of OnexPlayer 2 Pro Evangelion limited edition laptops. This handheld gaming PC is equipped with AMD 7840U processor. And the graphics card is also Radeon 780M with Renault 3 architecture. You can use it to run most games smoothly. And in terms of battery life, the portable device has a built-in fast-charging 65 mAh battery, paired with a 100 watts gallium nitride charger. According to the actual measurement, about 50% can be charged in half an hour, allowing users to play for a longer time without frequent charging, fully enjoying the fun of the game. And can also be used for light office work. Battery life is also very good. Surprising. If you need handheld PC games and light office friends this laptop, you can check it out.